Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the WhatsApp green color to blue on your iPhone. This is a cool new feature available on the latest version of the app. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you've got the most up-to-date version of WhatsApp installed on your device. If you haven't already done that, go ahead and update it now. Once that's done, open up WhatsApp and log in if necessary. Then, head to the settings section within the app. If you got the latest version, you should see the option we're looking for. Next, tap on Chats and then go to Chat Wallpaper. Here, you'll find a few customization options to change the appearance of your chats. You can switch from the default green color to a blue theme, or even set a new wallpaper if that's what you want. If you don't see this option yet, it's likely because you're not on the latest WhatsApp version. So just make sure to update the app. And that's it. Super simple, right? Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.